So guys, a lot of people ask one question here. The main question is called how you can creating for mobile apps without knowledge of the coding option. Suppose you have to create the mobile app option. So you have the zero knowledge of the coding option. How to making apps on the particular websites. So I'm showing for total 4 website here. These are top 4 website most of the people using for here. Now, just here, show that other website links. So this 4 website, they give the free making a mobile applications. If you searching in online also, the first of all they showing for website will be here, appinstitute.com here, app, so andromo.com here is the website. Glideapps.com will be here, trackable, and in the particular option will be app and andromo. This website will be given to make a free website without coding knowledge. Just first of all create account is the completely free. Just to create an app here, first of all they will start an easy methods here. What are the app you are confirm will be go to the start here. So select here and average your app will be ready to distribute within the 50 minutes of time. Blank, spiritual, wallpaper here. Data option will be given here. In this application will be start the particular here. Recipe purpose here. Sound, wallpaper, spiritual, here. Every option will be education purpose. Select your education here. Start the build the app option. So they will be start the app will be in the particular website. So next will be start. What are the things you can show to here? In this particular option will be given. The particular things are here. So what are the information will be required? Add the information in the particular here. So these all will be activity we have to show to the particular app option. So here, theme, next. Click for finish. So here, so your particular option will be given. The app will be started by your particular things here. Will just we have to sign up now and make the application the particular website. Same website will be here. Mobile application, website, task activation, chart bot and graphs. This will be showing for everything. Mobile application, trusted 7 billion peoples using for worldwide. So get start. You can make the your mobile application. Then don't need any kind of coding knowledge. This website will be same to making application without zero knowledge coach. Just plug and pay what are the themes I will be used and content will be there. Just edit the content. You're making application for particular website. And then glideapps.com also will be given the particular apps to given by the to create the free mobile applications. So guys, so these are the website we can use to build the particular application for the mobile app purpose. Here, I'm always remember once again, in this apps making purpose, don't require any kind of coding knowledge in the particular website. Guildapps.com in the particular pluggable and we can using for API and Andromo. This website we can use to making a website. So in this we can use particular option will be there. So build unlimited apps. First of all, sign up is more important. Each and every application will be building purpose. They will be what is a build application. Everything will be showing for next video. Will be showing how we can making for this using website and how we can show to customers the particular mobile apps. So this will be we can discuss our next video option.